Hi guys, if you want to see how I get this look, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome, and if you like what you see, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and right here I'm just shaping up my eyebrows. I don't have much, but I'm shaping up what I got. I'm seriously thinking about getting microblading from my eyebrows, but when I get to that road, we'll cross it together, okay? And whenever I decide to do it, I'll bring you guys along with me. Now I'm adding some moisturizer, Nivea Soft, to my face and neck. Don't forget your neck, guys. Next, I'm adding Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Primer. I'll leave information in my description box as to the products I'm using, so remember to check my description box, guys. Up next, we have Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I'm using this on my eyebrows and lids. Now I'm going to use my MAC eyeliner brush to fill in my eyebrows along with this eyebrow palette that I got on eBay. I don't do anything fancy with my brows, guys. I just literally follow the natural shape of my brow. Just try to fill them in, brush up the front, brush the front hairs up in an upward motion, and just fill in the rest. That's basically it. Now I'm going to use Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer in the color WN46 Golden Neutral. I'm going to use this to clean up around my eyebrows, just to sharpen them up a bit. And this is also the same foundation I'm going to use on my face, all over my face, guys. So I'm using this as a foundation and also as a concealer. You can find this product at Sephora and also at Ulta, yeah, but Sephora is what we have here in Canada. Now I'm just adding some foundation to the rest of my face. Now you want to blend that foundation like your life depended on it. Just kidding. Just ensure it's blended properly, guys, and bring some down on your neck, because you don't want your face looking different from your neck, having a different shade from your neck. So be sure to bring some of the foundation down on your neck. Here I'm just adding a little bit more concealer underneath my eyes just to help conceal my dark circles. Now I'm using Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my under eyes and my foundation. Now I'm dusting off the excess powder off my face. I don't usually bake. As soon as I put on the setting powder, I just dust it off right away. Here I'm using It's My Riri eyeshadow palette. I'm using the darker shade in the contour palette to contour my cheekbones. And I'm also doing my forehead and under my chin. And you want to blend that out in an upwards motion so as to not leave any harsh lines. Now I'm just cleaning up that contour with my setting powder. I'm using a brown eyeshadow mainly in my crease and also on top of my lid, just a little bit on my lid, but mainly in my crease. Then a reddish or burgundy looking color eyeshadow on top of my lid and a little bit on my crease as well. You can do this with any eyeshadow palette that has these colors, guys. Don't think you have to go out and buy the same eyeshadow palette that I'm using. And remember, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just showing you what I do. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Now on my outer corners, I'm using a dark eyeshadow. Then you want to blend, blend, blend. I believe more than anything else, the blending is what's most important. As long as it's blended, your makeup is blended properly, you should be fine. Here I'm using my concealer brush. Don't do this, guys. This is what I had on hand at the moment. But right here, I'm just basically packing on a shimmery red color on top of my eyes. You want to do this more to the center of your eyelids and bring it in a little bit to your inner corners. Here I'm adding a white shimmery color on top of that shimmery color that I had there before, just to give it a little pop. And I'm also going to add a little bit to my inner corners as well, just to help further brighten up my eyes a little bit more. Then you want to blend around the edges just to help smooth out everything. Just so the transition is a smooth one. Now I'm adding the same colors I added on my eyelids on my bottom lash line. Those colors are brown, a burgundy looking eyeshadow, and a black eyeshadow. Here I'm going to add my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to my top lash line. And I'm just going to wing it out a bit, not too much though. Here I'm adding my Clinique High Impact Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And some eyeliner in my waterline. So my contour was looking a bit too harsh for my liking, so I'm just blending it out some more, adding a little bit more setting powder to tone it down a bit. Here I'm just wiping away the excess makeup off my lips. Then I'm gonna add some Blistex and a nude lip liner. Also some liquid lipstick and some lip gloss. I'm using It's My Ray Ray Stingray and NYX Butter Gloss. Brightened up my beauty marks with some liquid eyeliner. Set my foundation with some setting spray. Then just before my setting spray dries, I add some highlighter to the high points of my cheekbones and to the other areas of my face that I like to accentuate. Blend it out a bit with my fingers. Then I'm using my beauty blender to blend it out some more. Here I'm adding some shine and jam to my edges. Then I'm going to slit down those baby hairs or adult hairs, whatever you call them, with my handy dandy toothbrush. You don't have to do this step, guys, to each its own, but I don't feel complete without my baby hairs. Now it's time for the hair. I'm just gonna do a simple half up, half down hairstyle. Using a ponytail holder, I'm just gonna tie some of the hair up in the top. Then you just want to finesse that to your liking. Add some earrings. And back to finish fixing my hair. Didn't like the way that was looking, so I pulled out one at the front and used that to wrap around the rest of my hair on top. Using a couple hair pins to keep that in place. Add a simple necklace. Okay, that's it. I'm ready. Just kidding.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take.
Okay, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Too bad, I've been sticking out your